Hello everybody, welcome back to another 374 channel. In today's video I'll show you how to easily manage transparency settings on your MSI G242L. So first let's open up the monitor settings. Now go to the settings of the monitor here and go to transparency. Now here you guys can change the transparency of the menu. I always keep it either at 0 or at 1 or 2. It's very good looking. Not in the camera, but in real life, the 2 is just amazing. You can see everything and you still can see behind it. So that's basically how you guys can change it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.